This is just a quick video to show the 2017 model year Indian Scout fitted with Vance and Hines grenades. These grenades are actually only supposed to go on a 2016 model year, or up to a 2016 model year bike. That is due to a frame change. You can see that I've actually managed to get these on. Bit of messing around, couple of changes that I've had to make. You can probably see that the lower muffler is actually the one with the Vance and Hines written on it. Normally this would be at the top. What I've had to do, once fitting at the headers at the top end, I've taken the bracket which actually goes down the back of the pipes here, this bracket that's in here. Standard one comes out, the Vance and Hines bracket goes in, and on a 2017 model year the bracket actually clashes the mufflers. This is actually tipping in, something's different in the frame somewhere, and that actually causes a problem here at the bracket end, and you end up with a swing arm which ends up catching the back of the pipe, back of the bracket. So what I've actually done is, if I move down to the bottom here, I've actually modified the bracket underneath and actually rotated the muffler slightly. So this would have been the bottom muffler. I've rotated the bracket, so normally it would be vertical. I've actually just turned it sideways and modified the bracket. Same on the one on the bottom. I've actually had to go inboard to make it clear. That now actually allows me to clear my swing arm.